Hello guys, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I use to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. And I'm really happy that so many people are taking advantage of this. But if you are new on this platform, all you need to do is just to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you practice and perfect your trading skills first on your demo accounts before you start trying them out on your real account. And if you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right now and turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you will be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. I am really happy today that you guys are taking advantage of my training. Okay, throughout this year I've come up with series of training, and like you guys have known, okay, I always let you know that our major secret, we have no other secret here than for us to practice and perfect your skill. As I am, if I'm seeing a new trading skill, trading strategy, what I do is to try to learn it, practice it on my demo account first before trying them out on my real account. It is after I must have tried them out on my real account before coming online to show you guys, okay, because it is what I do that I show you guys. So if you guys are not willing to practice, then definitely you are not ready to learn, you are not ready to make money. There is no way you will see something that will make some money for you and you won't be willing to learn how to do so. Okay, you can imagine, you know that the certificate you will be getting in your tertiary institution will help you to secure a good job in future, and which will get you paid in future. Then definitely you now refuse to go through the process of the of learning how to get the skill in order for you to get the certificate. There is no way you will go about it. You will have to go through the four walls of the school in order for you to achieve this. And the same thing is applicable to this. I'm not saying you should spend 4 years trying to acquire your knowledge. I'm just saying that you should dedicate a little time for it. You can even be making little money from it while you are still learning. As I am now, I am still learning. Okay, I learn every day. I try to look at new trading strategies. I learn it, I try to put it into practice, I perfect my trading skill before I start trying them out on my real account. Okay, and even when I'm introducing a new strategy to my new account, I go steadily, I do it one after the other, and that has been the major secret of my success right here. And that is why I am able to produce subscribers that will be making up to $300 per day, because they follow instructions, they follow the right steps. Okay, if you follow instruction, you will definitely make a lot of money for yourself. Okay, I try to make it easy by introducing some of these custom made indicators that I personally use to do my analysis. Okay, and a very good one which I've been using throughout this year has been this, which is the QDC scraper trading indicator. And one of the reasons why I love the indicator was because it's so simple to use, it's not too busy, it does not make your chart look too busy, it makes it very easy. But as simple as it is, if you don't know how to use it, you're going to burn your capital. That is why I always tell you, it is not about the trading tool, it is about you knowing how to apply the trading tool in order to have a successful trading opportunity. And it is one of the reasons why I started out doing the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash. Okay, that particular program is not just for giving you trading tips. It is also for you to see how I do my analysis. If you have been following, if you have been joining me live and direct to see my analysis on that particular program, you should be able to analyze the market on your own without even waiting for me again. Okay, so all you need to do is just to follow the simple method I've been using to do my analysis live and direct, and you will be able to do your own analysis and give and also produce the same results just the way I am doing it. You will be able to generate your signal, you will be able to generate your exit point signal. These are some of the things that I try to achieve in this year, and I'm really happy that I've been able to duplicate myself into so many of my subscribers who are also doing very well right away. There are several results I've been seeing. Okay, there are several results I've been seeing. So guys, if you are looking for amazing results like this, okay, for amazing results like this and this, the same thing is applicable to all the assets. All you just need to do is just to make sure you do the right thing. Once you do the right thing, then you will be able to milk the market successfully for a very long time. I've got so many results that I can show you that have been shared by some of my subscribers every day. Okay, I've got so many of them these days, and you guys have been so wonderful. It shows that those of you that have been following my instructions have been making lots of money from this platform, and I'm really happy that I'm able to educate you guys using this platform, and I'm able to solve some problems using this platform. Okay, so guys, another opportunity is coming. I know I usually do this 4 times in a year, but I only did it in January, and I use the rest of the year to educate you guys one after the other, because not everybody usually have access to me during the program. Okay, so and since things are a bit difficult worldwide, I decided to do most of my training on my channel, so I erased the middle part of it of the year. So I was focusing on training you guys on my channel. So right now, so many people have been requesting for this opportunity again, opportunity to learn some of these new trading strategies, opportunity to discuss with me, opportunity to know the exact entry point and the exact exit point, opportunity to analyze the trend of the market, to analyze the market, to know what to go for whenever they go into the market. So these are some of the things that you guys have been asking for, and I have made up my mind to come up with it at the end of the year. Okay, and this is coming up on the 11th of December, and that is what I will be giving to you guys. Okay, and you won't believe it, I will be coming with new trading tools, new trading strategies, and I will be using them to explain to you how to analyze the market, how to take your how to go into the market and pick up your trades, how to exit your trade, when to exit your trade, how to know the right trend to trade, and of course how to do your calculation to get to a realistic trading target. Okay, and of course how to grow your small trading capital into a big one. Okay, so you do it gradually. I must confess, okay, it is very easy to trade using big capital than using small capital, but as easy as it is, if you don't know your onions very well, then you will burn your capital easily without any hiccups. Okay, so that is why you need to get trained, that is why you need to have the right trading tools in order to trade all these assets. You need to know when to go into them. I have taken my time to explain some of this to you, but this time around I'm going to be well detailed. I'm going to show you what you should look out for, and then you will be having the psychology of trading, because you need to know the psychology behind it. You don't need to be too anxious to make the money. You need to be to focus your attention on knowing how to trade. Okay, when you know how to do the trading itself, then the money will follow it. Okay, money will follow it, and you will be able to command the amount of money you want out of the market. Okay, it is as easy as that. You will know when the market is demanding for money, and you will know when the market is spitting out money, so that you can go there and grab yours. It is as easy as that. It is not all the time you trade. You don't need to stay in the market throughout the day. If you truly know what you are doing, you will be able to milk the market successfully. Okay guys, in case this is coming up on the 11th of December, in case you are still willing to join us. Okay, the slot is almost filled up, and once it is filled up, you won't have access to any of these opportunities again. And I'm not sure if I will be giving room for the automated trading bots that I will be making available on this particular day. I'm not sure if there's still going to be room for it after this particular training. Okay, so guys, you can take advantage of that once you feel convinced, or your time, your schedule is within that region, within that time. Then you can take advantage of that and learn how to trade some of these assets successfully, so that you can start making some money for yourself right away. Okay, let me quickly give you a few tips. Okay, for the past few days we've been discussing about how to use stop loss to trade boom and crash. Some of you don't know that we can use stop loss to trade boom and crash. It is easier to use stop loss to trade the spikes than to use it to trade the normal trend. Okay, everybody just assume that we can't use stop loss. Of course we can use stop loss, even though it is risky if you use it on 1 minute time frame, or if you don't know when to use it or how to use it. It is very, very risky, because it can't stop loss will not stop or will not save you from spike. It will not save you from spike. But if you are using it to trade spikes, you will make a lot of money from there, because you are focusing on spikes. You are trading spike. That is, if you know how to trade the spike. Okay, if you know how to trade the spike, you will be able to make a lot of money from it. Let's say you are trading these spikes. Okay, let me use this as an example, even though it is within the downtrend region. Okay, you came in here. Let's say this is your entry point, and the price action has gotten to this level, and of course you can put in your stop loss somewhere here. It has been going up, it went up. You adjust your stop loss towards you always adjust your stop loss towards the action price, the current action price. Okay, so that is it. You don't take it away from it, you adjust it towards it. Okay, it has gotten to this level, and you already have the profit margin as big as this, and it spiked up to the last part of it. You can always adjust your stop loss again towards, like I said, towards it. Okay, right now the price action is coming towards your stop loss. You don't need to adjust your stop loss away from it. That is where you guys always make the mistake from. Okay, you don't need to adjust it away from it, so it should be towards the action price. Okay, so it is now coming down and down and down. You know, this will be coming down steadily. Okay, so you don't need to panic, let it come down steadily, and it has gotten to your stop loss. It's not going to push your stop loss away, it will only close the market for you, and the profit between here and here will be in your balance immediately. So it is very easy for you to use the stop loss to trade the spike. Okay, don't worry, I will come up with a training on that probably in this new week. Okay, but there is one thing I want you to also know. Do you know that you can also use the stop loss to save yourself from multiple spikes like this? Let's say you are trading the normal trend, but first, before you can do this, make sure you are on the right trend, and make sure you are not trading on 1 minute time frame. This is very, very important. Let's say this is your entry point from your red arrow, and the price action has gotten to this level, and of course you input your stop loss at the middle. Okay, always put it at the middle, and you make sure you move it towards the you make sure the movement, the adjustment is towards the price, the current action price. Okay, so it has gone down again to this level. You take it towards it and stay at the middle. The middle will give the action price the opportunity to play around before it can get to the stop loss. Okay, so you put it there. Okay, started spiking up and up and up, came down, spiked up, came down, spiked up, came down. This time around it spiked up, and it spiked up above the stop loss. This is where it stopped. Okay, this is where it stopped. Do you know what it's going to do? It's just going to push the stop loss backward to where it stopped, and it's going to close your trade for you. And check out all the spike that happened, that even got here, will not even affect your profit, not to talk of affecting your capital. Your profit will be in your balance immediately. It is as easy as that. And one beautiful thing about this is that, okay, you can also use this on 30-minute time frame. Actually, you can use it on higher time frame, but I don't really love going too high because of the signal. I want to have the signal on time. Okay, so that is it. So you can use it on 30-minute time frame too, and use it to make lots of profit for yourself. Okay, because 30-minute time frame will even give you more opportunity to trade the trend for a very long time, okay. You can see how it works. You can see it live and direct. Let's say you okay, let me use this. Let's say you decide to sell right from here, right from this arrow, and the price action has gotten to this level. You know, all these are 30-minute candles. Okay, so you put in your stop loss at the middle, and you can see as it is going down, it went up, it came down to this level. You increase the margin, you adjust your stop loss to the middle again. It came down to this level. You can adjust your stop loss to the middle again. So you do that easily. You adjust your stop loss to the middle again. So as it is going up, down, it came down to this level, always adjust your stop loss to the middle. Okay, so it is as easy as that. Remember, this is 30-minute time frame. It gives you an opportunity to milk the market for a very long time. It started coming up, came down again, went up, came down, and this time around it went up and it got to this level. It's going to push your stop loss backward a bit to this region, and the profit between here and here will be in your wallet immediately. And check out, there are two other spikes that happen. It's not going to affect you because you're already out of the market. You might be thinking it has reduced your profit. Of course it has, but you are still making a lot of profit instead of you losing it all. Okay, this is how many candles? This is 29 candles. You can always do your calculation. All these are when you are setting up a business, you should be able to do your calculation to weigh the opportunities and the risk you have in the business. Okay, if you're unable to do this is 29 candles. Okay, if you're unable to do this, then it means that you are going blindly with your business, and you won't be able to make reasonable profits with that. Okay, let's say we are making 30 cents with this. Okay, this will be giving you $261. Okay, just trading within that region alone will give you $261, despite the fact that the stop loss, the spike has taken your stop loss backward a bit, which is closing your stop loss, closing your trade for you at that particular point, okay, and even the rest of the spike that happen will not even affect you. This is as easy as this. Okay, that is why I always tell you to get trained. This major secret for us here is you getting trained and you practicing and perfecting your trading skill first on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. And if you must try them out on your real account for the first time, you need to go gently, you need to go steadily. Let it be a steady way. Okay, you don't need to rush into it so that you don't lose your money. Once you are able to do it steadily and you get comfortable, you become much more comfortable and you have enough confidence within your real account, then you are good with it. It is as easy as that. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right now and turn on the notification bell to all notifications? That way you will always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.